Computer network. In this lesson, we are going to understand what is a computer network, network devices, network topology, what Internet protocol is, IP address, and the difference between IP address and MAC address. Before we continue, please help our class by subscribing, like, and share. What is computer network? A computer network is a group of computers and other devices like printers, servers, smartphones, and others that are connected together to share data, resources, and services. Types of network based on the size and coverage. The first is personal area network. The second one is local area network. Number 3 is metropolitan area network. The last is wide area network. Personal area network. It is a network for the smaller personal range. Example, Bluetooth devices. Local area network is a network that covers a small geographical area. Example, office, school, home, industry, and others. Metropolitan area network. It's a network that covers a big geographical area like a city or a country. Wide area network. It covers a large distance. It is the one known as the Internet. Network devices. The following are the main devices used on a network: hub, router, switch, bridge, access point, and modem. Number 1. Hub. A hub is a network hardware device for connecting multiple devices together and making them act as a single network segment. Number 2. Router. Router is a device that connects networks like a LAN to the Internet. Number 3. Switch. Switch is a device which connects devices within a LAN. Switch sends messages only to the device to which it is sent. When a switch receives a message, do not duplicate it. It sends it directly to the destination computer. Number 4. Bridge. A network bridge is a computer networking device that creates a single aggregate network from multiple communication networks or network segments. Number 5. Access point. Access point allows wireless device to connect to the network. Number 6. Modem. Modem is a device that connects to the Internet using telephone or fiber lines. Types of connection. This is the transmission channel where data signal passes through. We have wired channel. This uses cables to transmit information. Example, Ethernet. The second one is wireless. This uses radio waves for the transmission of data signals. Example, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Data transmission model. Transmission mode is a term used to define the direction of signal flow between two linked devices. The data that is transmitted over a network can flow using one of three modes: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Simplex is a transmission mode where data signal transmitted in one-way direction. Example, radio and TV receptors. Half duplex is transmission mode where data signal transmitted over a network in reverse way in two different directions, but they share the same way of transmission. Example is walkie-talkie. Full duplex is a transmission mode where data signal transmitted simultaneously at the same time in two different ways. Example, telephones. Network topology. Network topology refers to the arrangement or layout of different elements like links, nodes, devices in a computer network. It describes how computers, cables, switches, routers, and other components are physically or logically connected to each other. Physical and logical topology. Physical topology shows the actual layout of cables and devices, while logical topology shows how data flows in a network, regardless of physical layout. Types of network topology. Number 1, bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network devices is connected to a single cable. It is easy to set up and requires less cables. But if the main cable fails, the whole network goes down. Star topology. A star topology is a type of network topology where all computers are connected to a single hub or a switch through a cable. This hub or switch acts as the central device, and all other nodes are connected to the central device. It is easy to manage and troubleshoot. But if the central hub or switch fails, all devices are disconnected. Number 3, ring topology. Ring topology is a network which forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer. This topology is relatively expensive and difficult to install, but it offers high bandwidth and can span large distance. Data flows in one direction, which reduces collision, but if one device fails, can affect the entire network unless a dual link is used. Number 4, mesh topology. Mesh topology is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All of the network nodes are connected to each other. Mesh topology can be either full mesh or partial mesh. Mesh topology offers a high reliability and redundancy. It is expensive and complex to set up. Number 5, tree topology. Tree topology has a root node, and all nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called a hierarchical topology. If the backbone fails, it can affect large portions of the network. Hybrid topology. In this type of topology, it integrates two or more different topologies to form resultant topology, which has a good point. It combines two or more topologies. Example, star plus mesh topology. Hybrid topology is flexible and scalable. It can be complex and costly. What is Internet Protocol? Internet Protocol is a set of rules used to send and receive data over Internet or any network. It helps computers and other devices identify each other using IP address. Just like how a home address tells where someone lives. Key functions of Internet Protocol. Number 1. Addressing. Every device on Internet gets a unique IP address, so it can be found. Number 2. Routing. IP makes sure that the data you send, like email or a website request, reaches the correct destination by breaking it into packets and send it across the best path. Number 3. Packet delivery. Data is broken into small chunks called packets. Each packet travels independently and may take different routes to the destination. IP helps to resemble them correctly. Types of Internet protocols. Some of Internet protocols are the following. Number 1. TCP/IP. This is the foundation of the Internet. Number 2. HTTP or HTTPS. This is the web communication. Number 3. FTP. This is protocol for file transfers. Number 3. SMTP or POP3 or IMAP. These are protocol used for email communication. What is IP address? IP address is a unique number assigned to every device connected to a network. It helps the device identify and communicate with each other. Types of IP address. The types of IP address composed by IPv4, which is most common and uses numbers like this one. Number 2 is IPv6, which is newer and more advanced. It uses long address like this one because IPv4 address are running out. What is the difference between IP address and MAC address? IP address or Internet Protocol address is unique number assigned to every device connected to computer network, like the Internet. It helps device identify and communicate with each other. In the types of IP address, we have IPv4, which is most common and uses numbers like 192.0.2.1, which shows the class of IP address. We also have IPv6, which is newer and more advanced. It uses longer address like this one. What is MAC address? MAC address is Media Access Control Address. Is a unique identifier assigned to a device's network interface card NIC, like a Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter that connects the device to a network. Format of MAC address is made up of 6 pairs of hexadecimal digits. Example is like this one. The total of the bits is 46, which is 6 bytes. Let's make a comparison. According to what it is, MAC address is hardware address, while IP address is logical address. MAC address cannot change as it is fixed, while IP address can change depending to the network. MAC address assigned by manufacturer, while IP address assigned by network or internet provider. MAC address used in local networks or local area networks, while IP address used on internet or internet routing. According to OSI model, MAC address works on layer 2, which is data link, while IP address works on layer 3, which is network. Thank you for watching. If you find this important, please help our class by subscribing, like, and share. And if you have an idea, don't hesitate to share it in comment section. Let's meet in next video.